Welcome to this video on the aim of portfolio management. John meets Sophie, his childhood friend, in a restaurant.
Hi Sophie, how are you?
Hi John, I am great. I am managing portfolios for clients now.
That's great. I have a question. I am trying to create a portfolio of different assets, but I am not sure of my aim. Portfolio A gives me 1.2% daily returns, but has a risk or standard deviation of returns of 0.2%. And then there is Portfolio B, which gives me 0.6% daily returns, but a risk of 0.05%. Should I maximize returns or minimize risk?
This is exactly like ordering a meal. A pizza will be delicious, but not exactly healthy. On the other hand, a salad is nutritious and healthy but doesn't feel delicious.
Which should you choose? A portfolio with maximum returns, like a pizza, or a portfolio with minimum risk, like a salad?